Sir Topham Hatt, the railroad director, was going on a vacation. Mr. Conductor, who traveled from place to place in the shower of gold dust, was coming to help him out. I have to go meet Mr. Conductor, Thomas said. He's going to take care of us while Sir Topham Hatt is away. I think we can take care of ourselves, huffed Gordon. Whoosh! Suddenly a big diesel engine raced past them. Get out of my way, you blue puffballs, the diesel growled. What was that? Asked Gordon nervously. That was a problem, Thomas said as the diesel screeched away. That's Diesel 10, Sir Topham Hatt sent to help us steam engines. But Diesel 10 is behaving as though he hates us. I think he's a really scary engine. Pah, grumbled Gordon. Really useful engines like us have to be brave, little Thomas. Thomas agreed, but he couldn't help feeling frightened.